Today, we're checking out the Infinix GT 50 Pro, a mid-range smartphone that brings a strong focus on gaming performance, a large display, and a massive battery, all packed into a stylish design. Starting from the design, the Infinix GT 50 Pro comes with a modern, gaming-inspired look. It features a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass 7i, combined with a plastic frame and back. There are also customizable RGB LEDs on the back, giving it a more unique and futuristic feel. It weighs around 198 grams and has an IP64 rating, meaning it's protected against dust and light water splashes. Plus, it includes dual pressure-sensitive gaming triggers for better control while playing games. Moving to the display, this phone comes with a large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1.5K. It supports a 144 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling and gaming feel very smooth. The brightness can go up to 1600 nits for peak usage, and even higher in certain conditions, so visibility outdoors should not be an issue. In terms of performance, the Infinix GT 50 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate chipset, built on a 4N process. It comes with up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage, which is more than enough for gaming and multitasking. It runs on Android 16 with XOS 16, and Infinix promises up to 3 major Android updates. For the camera, it features a dual camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera equipped with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. The camera supports 4K video recording at up to 60 FPS. On the front, there's a 13-megapixel selfie camera that can also record in 4K at 30 FPS. For audio, it comes with stereo speakers supported by Dolby Atmos, delivering a more immersive sound experience. However, there is no 3.5mm headphone jack. In terms of connectivity, it supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and even includes an infrared port and FM radio. One of the highlights is the battery. It comes with a large capacity of up to 6,500 mAh. It supports 45-watt wired charging, 30-watt wireless charging, and even reverse charging, both wired and wireless. There's also a bypass charging feature, which is useful for gaming as it helps reduce heat while charging. Overall, the Infinix GT 50 Pro offers a strong combination of gaming features, smooth display, solid performance, and a very large battery, making it an interesting option in its class. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.